Good day to you from Chem Help ASAP. In this video, we'll look at how drug efficacy and safety is monitored after a drug has been approved. By the end of this video, students will be able to contrast preclinical safety with clinical safety, describe different methods for monitoring safety risks of drugs after they have been approved, and list possible outcomes of newly discovered safety risks in approved drugs. Preclinical safety is vital for enabling the initiation of clinical trials, and different preclinical studies allow the start of different clinical trials. Ultimately, however, the safety of a compound being tested in the clinic will be evaluated based on the observed safety in the human study participants. Even if a compound is deemed to be safe and effective, clinical trials cannot reasonably be expected to uncover every safety risk of a drug. Some people react to this statement and propose that clinical trials should be longer to gather more evidence of safety. A counter-argument is that lengthening trials would delay patient access to potential beneficial medicines. Because future risks cannot be easily anticipated, safety monitoring of drugs after they have been launched is vitally important. Let's discuss two forms of post-approval surveillance. One program is called MedWatch, which is a program that is managed by the U.S. FDA. Through MedWatch, healthcare workers, patients, and customers can submit safety reports. If a pattern is recognized and the safety risks are real, then MedWatch will release an alert on a product. Since the U.S. FDA has jurisdiction over a broad range of areas, MedWatch monitors drugs as well as cosmetics, food, and medical devices. Like MedWatch, the Sentinel Initiative is another FDA-managed program. The Sentinel Initiative is relatively new. It first rolled out in 2008 and was fully implemented in 2014. The Sentinel Initiative generates a massive database on patient healthcare outcomes. Through access to the database, scientists such as epidemiologists and statisticians can comb the records for trends in patient outcomes, including safety risks. Of course, cataloging healthcare records in a consistent and accurate manner so that they can be recalled is an immense challenge. Unlike MedWatch, the Sentinel Initiative only covers medical products. So what happens if a safety issue is discovered after a drug has been approved? Several things can happen if a safety problem arises. In some cases, small changes to formulation or dosage strength or labeling changes may be possible, though these types of changes are considered to be supplemental changes to the original NDA and must be reviewed and approved by the FDA. More serious concerns may require a boxed warning, formerly known as a black box warning. The boxed warning is literally safety text that is written in a black box on the packaging of the drug and on the prescribing information insert. In a much more serious situation, the approval of the original NDA can be withdrawn. We have contrasted preclinical safety with clinical safety. We've also described some methods by which approved drugs are monitored for safety. Finally, we have listed some of the outcomes of drugs that have safety risks discovered after approval. That was a quick discussion of post-approval drug monitoring. I hope you found the video informative. Please leave a like, subscribe, or make a comment. Take care.